My name is Tetsuya Karasawa. I was born in 1968, so now I'm turning to 39. And my golf experience is almost 20 years. I started golfing when I was... Actually, it was very coincident. I went to the shopping mall, Great Wall City, which was very near my place. Then I found the outlet of this Kinder Golf. Then he said even 2 years old kids can take lessons. Then at the time my daughter was 2 years old. Oh, this is a good. Well, of course, I am a golf man, so in future I want it to play with her.
Okay.
And the other idea is through the golfing, I want my daughter to learn English. But the cost is reasonable, and anyway, I love golf. I think well organized, and all of the teachers are very friendly to kids, and they know how to treat kids. That's the most important thing. On the green, I think golfing swing is very good. Of course, I have been playing golf more than 20 years, so I know roughly what is the best swing.
Yeah.
So in my mind, so far her golf swing is very, very good.
Okay.
And off the green, well, somehow she has learned how to be patient and how to respect other people. To knowing golf, if they start when they are young, they can learn the swing very naturally. They don't think how to hit par, or they don't think how to make score better. They just make swing naturally. So that's a very good point. Golfing is not so tough sport. Of course, if you want to be a professional player, very tough. But just for enjoying, golfing is friendly to everybody. And the good thing is we could have handicap, so we can play a game. Mira is enjoying with them. So after the lesson, she always talk about her friend. How was he? How was her? Well, Kinder Golf is a good place for learning golf, as well as training kids' mentality, especially how to be patient is the most important.